Welcome back to our IELTS English quiz series. Today, we're focusing on collocations, natural word pairings like make a decision or take a risk. These are super important for IELTS and everyday English. Let's see how many you get right. Don't forget to comment your score at the end.
Number 1. You have 5 seconds to think.
The correct answer is enforce. We say enforce laws, which means to make sure people follow the rules. The other options don't collocate naturally with laws in this context. Let's move on to the next one.
Number 2. You have 5 seconds to think.
The correct answer is make. We always say make a good impression, not do or have. Create can sometimes work in other contexts, but the natural collocation is make a good impression. Let's move on to the next one.
Number 3. You have 5 seconds to think.
The correct answer is strike. We say strike a balance, meaning to successfully manage two different things at the same time. Make a balance or take a balance aren't natural collocations. Let's move on to the next one.
Number 4. You have 5 seconds to think.
The correct answer is conduct. We say conduct an investigation, meaning to carry it out in a formal or organized way. Do an investigation is sometimes heard in casual English, but for formal or academic contexts, conduct is the natural collocation. Let's move on to the next one.
Number 5. You have 5 seconds to think.
The correct answer is pay. We always say pay attention when we mean to focus on something. Expressions like give attention or hold attention exist, but are used in different contexts, not in exams. Let's move on to the next one.
Number 6. You have 5 seconds to think.
The correct answer is make. We say make progress when talking about improvements or advancements. Do progress or take progress are incorrect in English. Let's move on to the next one.
Number 7. You have 5 seconds to think.
The correct answer is take. We say take advantage of something, meaning to use an opportunity in a positive way. Expressions like make advantage or do advantage don't exist in English. Let's move on to the next one.
Number 8. You have 5 seconds to think.
The correct answer is bring. We say bring reforms, meaning to introduce or cause important changes. Do reforms or take reforms are not correct collocations. Let's move on to the next one.
Number 9. You have 5 seconds to think.
The correct answer is draw. We say draw a conclusion, which means to form a judgment based on evidence. Make a conclusion is a common mistake, but the natural collocation is draw a conclusion. Let's move on to the next one.
Number 10. You have 5 seconds to think.
The correct answer is take. We always say take a break when someone stops working or studying to rest. Do a break or make a break are not natural in English. How many collocations did you get right out of 10? Comment your score below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily IELTS practice. And for your next step, check out my video on synonyms. It's a great way to expand your vocabulary and sound more natural in IELTS. See you there.